Stonk fam, what's up y'all? Let's jump into this YouTube. Let's get a couple bangers for y'all. Lately the YouTubes have just been on fire. If you've been watching the YouTubes and you're taking what's going on in there and you're taking it seriously, you are just banking right now, man. So let's drop another banger for y'all. Let's have a great week and let's stonk up. All right, so first let's go ahead and jump into Iran. You guys know, if you were in the Discord, Iran did as dirty ones. All right, but man, this thing was dead. Looks like it's back. It's looking explosive. We got a clean reversal. Looks like some tight consolidation here. Looks like it's breaking that 50 range, which we needed. The next thing is it's just going up and up from here. I got 55 on the next move, and then from there, this thing's gonna start ripping 62 and 70. So I like swings as NVIDIA starts to move and the GPU, CPU race starts to extend. Iran and some of these other names are going to start moving. Iran and CoreWeave, I both like both of those. So I'll be getting Iran swings, get in the Discord, see what we're going to be doing, and let's make some money off of that, all right? Let's jump into, you already know my baby, Bitcoin. Bitcoin DCA king here, all right? I love it. We finally got that 78 break. We tested 77.5 a few times for support. It looks like that's our support now. We're trending above 78, so the moves this week are 82, 83, and then 84 tops. It looks like the dips are getting bought. From now, we can see that BlackRock just poured in $1 billion within the Bitcoin just this last week alone. All right, guys. So, I mean, when Bitcoin is getting moved by BlackRock, you know that's the bottom. The bottom was here. 68 was the bottom. I've been saying that for months. I really think we start ripping from here. We start getting 83, 90, 95, 100, and then obviously 120 to 190. All right, guys, so on to the next. Let's look at Microsoft, man. I'm really liking quick setup on Microsoft. Earnings report this week. They killed earnings, looking good. This is probably going to be my best lotto for earnings this week, so I'm going to jump into probably a Microsoft, maybe like a 475 lotto, something high, but I see this doing some huge numbers for its earnings report. So jump into the Discord, see what we're gonna do. I like Microsoft. I think we're going up. My favorite setup going into a few things is NVIDIA. The king is back. All right, AMD was running, Intel is running, and NVIDIA said, hold up, let me show y'all who king. 5 million market cap. It's gonna be tough to extend, but I'm liking swings for this. This GPU, CPU race is gonna extend NVIDIA just further and further. So for now, I'm looking at 212, 215. I'm loving the 215 for this week. I like swings into May, June, July. I really like July 240 swings. So if you can get those, you got the value for it, jump into those. I'm giving you the levels right here, 212, 215, 220, 223, and 226. I'd say that for the next 2 to 3 weeks. So if you can get a 3-week call at 225 or even 220, you're gonna be banking big time, all right? Let's jump into the last but not least, our good old favorite SPY. SPY's been doing what I said it's gonna do. Started trending in a nice way. We broke that 712 is now honestly our support. We were looking for that. We hit it 1, 2, 3 different times. That 712 became weak. Now that 712 is our support. So with that being said, this coming week I could see we got 716, 720, and I think 723 is really my number. But 725 up top is what we're looking at for this week. 716 is our next resistance, 720 after that. So yeah, I mean, with that being said, we do have some downward. Don't think everything's just gonna go up. We do have some support down below. So we have 712, 709, and 705. We hit 705, I think, on Thursday this last week when a couple of people in the Discord, I know French, went crazy on some puts. So just know that 705 is looking like a very, very solid support. And then from there moving up, we got 709, 712. So get in the Discord. I appreciate everybody. God bless. Stonk up this week and let's make some money.